Well, actually, it was General Aniline had a lab, the one I described in Passaic. But besides that, they had a lab up near Albany. And I took some of our material up there to see if they could put it between glass without causing the glass to crack. Well, we finally developed a coating that would do that, and it wouldn't interfere with the clarity of the glass. But when I was up there at Albany, they were working on war things too, and there was a big drum of material. It was outside the lab. And we'd gone outside of the lab to get some fresh air, and got a few steps away from that drum, and soon after we left that drum, something went off inside of it, and it blew the drum up. There was a high flag there over the lab, and it blew it up about as high as the American flag over the lab, and it landed on somebody's lawn outside of the General Aniline headquarters. And one of the fellows, I told him what had happened, and there one of the men went out and went up and down the street, and he found the drum in front of on someone's front yard. That place up there made you nervous